Welcome guys. So in this video basically I'll be showing you guys the new Canva text effects. So the new text effect that Canva has introduced. So let's just go over to Canva. Now Canva is open and I have a blank canvas ready. So I'll just go ahead and type something on my blank canvas. I'll just select add a heading and type something. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the new Canva text effects. Canva already has a lot of text effects, but this is the latest one they just added. So after typing in my text, I'll select the text. When I select the text, I'll click on the three dots at the top. Then this dashboard comes up and I'll click on effects. Then all the effects come up. Then I'll scroll down because all these effects are the ones that we already know about. I'll just scroll down where I'll see the new effect called background. Yes, there it is. You can see it is called background. So if I click on it, you can see it automatically gives my text a background. I don't have to go and select square. So next thing guys, I will just go in and customize the background because the background is customizable. So from the options below you can see you can change the roundness. You can either make it more round or less round. You can also change the spread, make it wider by moving the button. You can also change the transparency, as you can see, which is at 100 now, but you can reduce it if you want. So the background effect has a place for you to customize it just below the background itself. So you can see the transparency, you can change it, and then you can also change the color of the background. When you click on the color button at the bottom there, you can see the color has been changed. So you can change it to any color you want because it is customizable, so you can customize it as you wish. So guys, that is the new Canva text effects. I'll also show you guys something else that you can do with the Canva text effects. So I think I'll just delete this and type it again. In the past, when you wanted to give curved text a background, you had to go for a circle, but with the new Canva text effects, it's awesome guys. You can do something even more beautiful. So I'll go ahead and type my text. Then after typing my text, I will curve it. I'll just go to effects and curve it. Click on the curve effect. So as you can see, my text is now curved. So see what will happen if I add a background to this curved text. There it is guys. You can see the background is also curved. Instead of a full circle, I get a curved background too. So that's a very cool feature with the new Canva text effects. And one thing to note guys, once you apply a background to your text, the background is automatically grouped with the text. You don't have to go in and group them again. So anything you do to the text is also applied to the background. So I can still go in and change the color of the background, and if I increase the curve of the text, that of the background also increases, as you can see. So you can actually do whatever you like with this new Canva text effects. It's not only cool, but it makes the work easier and faster for people that use Canva. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you about the new Canva text effects. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and in the comment section write videos that you want to see in future, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.